Leg extension. The main muscle used in this exercise will be your quads. Begin by sitting up straight on the leg extension machine and imagine you have a seat belt pulling your waist into the seat. Adjust the pad so it sits on top of your shins just above your feet, which should be pointing forward. From there, make sure to hold the side bars. Extend your legs straight out in front of you, ensuring that you are using your quads to power the movement. Then slowly lower them back to the starting position. Avoid kicking up with your feet. Avoid overextending and locking your knees out at the top.